Hey guys, welcome back again to our boat project. This is the boat's first wash. So that's the first thing on the to-do list. After ordering a bunch of stuff for it, we need to get it washed first. Here's our setup. Beautiful wife Tanya, she's getting up on top of the boat there. So we're gonna do some cleaning up there. Obviously at the top first, but to get rid of all this oxidation, we've got this outdoor cleaner. There is some bleach in it and it's concentrated. We've got some scrubbers. I do have some acetone. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the spray with the bleach cleaner. I'm going to try to get right here along this window. Just a quick spray, just to see how it does in a little spot, and then I'm going to hand it up to her and she'll coat it down, and then she'll spray it. So we will do that first, and then we'll grab the brushes, and we've got the bucket over there and the dog, and both of them, they just got washed, but clearly Benny and Bella don't care. And then yeah, we'll start from the top. She'll help me get up on the top and inside of the cockpit there, and then we'll work our way down. So yeah, I'll record this little spot first, see how it turns out, and then yeah, we'll get up on top. And all right, well, I know that pressure washer's loud. One problem is these flexible hoses don't have the volume to really do well with that pressure washer. But right now she's just on. She's just using the green nozzle, so the skinnier nozzle, and just rinsing. I'll get over there and we'll see. There, you can just see I did this test spot here. I'll try and patch that part of the video in. It's hard to see, but clearly that window did not come clean all the way, much at all. And then so that's going to be some extra scrubbing to get all that white oxidation off. But you can just see it. This water is just milky white, so it's just milky white coming off of here. So that is pure oxidation, just rinsing down the whole thing. So the other thing is it's pretty hot out and the sun is not helpful. So it's clearly, the sun is just gonna dry this stuff up. So if we put the bleach cleaner or the other cleaner on there, it's just gonna dry if we don't work fast, and that stuff needs to sit a little bit. So we'll see how it goes. Just gonna keep on spraying here. Look at that. Just like pure chalk washing off. So yeah, that's great. I'll yeah, we'll grab this little soap end sprayer and I'll jump up there. Right now she's using that all-purpose cleaner. It's got some bleach there. We'll it's starting to look nicer up there. If you want. But one of the problems that I just saw is underneath these seats are disgusting, but also the wood is completely rotted out. So that's another project. Those seats are gonna have to come off and be replaced because the wood is completely rotted. So yeah, that's wonderful. But project for another day, I guess. Now it's time to hit the dash. Clearly, it's pretty bad. The oxidation on that is pretty rough too. So, yeah, look at the nastiness coming along the edges there. Just a mess up there. So Yeah, we'll clean that down too. Well, I used some of the bleach cleaner in this scrubber here, and hopefully the wind's not too bad. And I tried scrubbing this and it didn't come out too bad, but here, just see how that should be wet with a magic eraser. This is like a giant magic eraser. One more time. Oh, more fill. Yeah, I think you got it. That's just filthy up here now. Just ridiculous. Oh, up here. This goes up here. No big deal. I gotta scoops. All right, I'll 30-second outdoor cleaner. It's been doing pretty well. You can see it still hasn't gotten all that oxidation off the window. There's some streaking here, but that's from just now. It has done a pretty good job of cleaning it off. Obviously, there's no gloss left, but it. What we do is that 30-second cleaner is in the tank of the pressure washer, and we spray with the soap nozzle onto the boat, and then use this cheap scrub brush with a broom handle there and scrub it down the best we can. And then, as you see now, we've got the foam cannon, and we soap and foam it. Well, after we rinse it in between, and then soap and foam it, and then she'll rinse it again, and that's it. I think we're gonna have to find some other RV cleaner or something to just get it a little bit better, but yeah, again, we've got some other plans for this thing. The tool to take all the decals off is in the mail. We should get that today, so we'll be able to clean all those off and eliminate all the decals, and then we can get to our plans to bring the paint around again. But hopefully you can hear me. Thanks for watching. This is an ongoing thing. As you saw, we discovered that the port side seats are rotted on the bottom, so they've got to come out and be reupholstered. So there's another, what, plus that or another $1,000? Yeah. Reupholster this thing is not cheap, so maybe I can DIY it. We'll see. So that's another thing. This is gonna have to be washed multiple times. This doesn't even include the interior. I think tomorrow I'll test the systems, and if we get the AC running inside, then we'll clean out the interior while the AC is running. But yeah, while the AC is running, we'll do that interior if it runs. So we still have that to do. We'll put the muffs on the engine and get it started. But that's tomorrow's project. Today was just getting this thing cleaned up. The interior, like, it doesn't really look a whole lot different. I mean, to us now we can tell, you know, as you watch the grime wash away. But you know, from a distance, it looked pretty clean. But it does need some more care. So yeah, we'll keep trucking on this thing. Obviously, the next couple days we're going to do the bottom paint. We're going to do all the interior stuff. So like, subscribe, follow along with this journey with this fixer-upper that, you know, we keep finding surprises with. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.